Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we want to look at the sum of an AP, and which is arithmetic progression. The question says the sum of the first 8 terms of an AP is 56 and the sum of the next 10 terms is 4 and 30. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. The first thing to do is to write out the formula for the sum of an AP. And what's the formula? The formula says Sn equals n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 t, and there is a bracket to capital. The first thing is this is the sum of n, this is the sum of the AP, and n is the number of terms, a is the first term, d is the common difference. So from these 4 unknown, let us look at what we were given. We were given at the first 8 terms. That means our n is 8. Now, and the sum of the first 8 terms is 56. So Sn is given to be 56. So let us substitute this into this question and let us find the value. We are not given the first term, we are not given the common difference. We are to look for the first 3 terms of the AP. Therefore, Xn equals 8 over 2 into 2a plus 8 minus 1 d equals 56. So this automatically becomes 4 into 2a plus, this is 7d equals 56. Let us divide through by 4 such that this becomes 2a plus 7d equals 4 divided by 56. That gives us 14. So let us call this equation 1. Now let us continue, and the sum of the next 10 terms is 430. So for the second one, Sn is said to be 430, and Yn, because it is the next 10 term, that is the first term that we calculated is 8. So for the next 10 added to that 8, so that gives us 18. So let us substitute this into the formula that we've written before. Therefore, n now will be 18 divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus 18 minus 1 d. So this becomes 9. Now, sorry, that equals 430. So this is 9 into brackets 2a plus 17d equals 430. So let us divide 9 by this entire expression. So that gives me 2a plus 17d equals, so I got 54. So let us call this equation 2. Now we can solve this. We cannot solve equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously, such that we get the value of a and d. So our equation 1 is 2a plus 7d equals 14, and our equation 2 is 2a plus 17d equals 54. So to solve this simultaneously, we are to eliminate one of the unknown so that we can solve the first unknown and then come back to the second. So let us subtract this. So 2a minus 2a, that cancel out. 7d minus 17d, that is minus 10d. 14 minus 54, that gives us minus 40. So d equals minus 40 divided by minus 10. So our d is 4. So if the value of d is 4, we can substitute to either of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. So substitute d in equation 1. So our equation 1 is 2a plus 7. Remember, our d is 4. equals 14. That is 2a plus 28 equals 14. 2a equals 14 minus 28. That is 2a equals minus 14. So a equals minus 14 divided by 2, which is minus 7. So a is the first term. Remember, a is the first term. So if a is minus 7 and our common difference of the series is 4, so the second term will be 4 plus the first term. So that will be a plus d. That will give us minus 7 plus 4, which is minus 3. So for the next term, that will be a plus d plus d. That will be minus 3 plus 4. That gives us 1. So for the first three terms, our final answer is minus 7, minus 3, and 1. So that is the solution to the question. If you have any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. And until I see you next time, please remember to subscribe to this channel. It goes a long way to help my cause and to help me to bring these awesome solutions and to attend to your questions and make you like mathematics and help in your problem solving ability. Till I see you next time, thank you very much. Remain blessed.